Introducing the sleek and stylish 2023 Audi A5 Sportback TDI S-Line in elegant grey. With only 2,000 miles on the clock, this beauty comes with a 2-liter diesel engine and semi-auto transmission, packed with luxurious features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and collision avoidance braking. This hatchback guarantees a smooth and safe ride. Rest easy knowing it has undergone a full multi-point health check, servicing, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit audikerry.ie for more details on how you can drive away in this top-of-the-line Audi A5 today.